guys, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art. I'm back again. First off, here's the painting that I didn't get to show you from a couple videos ago because it wasn't dry. It's a metallic silver background with the blown out corners. Dried really nice. I really love it. It's very pretty. So there's that one. One from my last video isn't dried yet, so I'll show it at a later time. And today I'm working on these little tiny canvases. They're 4x4, so it's not going to take much. This might be a really quickie video. Like I said, they're 4x4. They have the big edges, which I don't really like, honestly, but that's what they are. And I love this chocolate brown, this deep chocolate brown. So we're going to try that as the background. See how that does. Try and get it down the sides. I'm gonna do one at a time, so that way maybe it'll work better. Got my TV going so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Looks pretty good. I'm going to be using my little blower today. A little tiny leaf blower is what it looks like. I got it off of Amazon. It only cost about 15 bucks. And I tell you, it was the best purchase I could have made. Really, really like it. So I'm going to start with some metallic white. Little petal in the center, and then I think I'll use some of this light lavender. Get it all open. Light lavender, and then I have some 24K gold. I absolutely love. It's a gorgeous color. And then I have a little bit of coral. I don't want to overdo it with the coral. Just a drop. And, oops, my finger wiped off. I want to move this one over so it doesn't get anything blown on it. This doesn't blow real hard, but I don't want to take any chances. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Might have too much of the brown. We might have to redo. Which is, you know, par for my course. I always do that. Which is no biggie, we can always put more on. It's going to be really pretty when it comes out. Let's see. Let's put some more lavender. And I didn't put very much coral, and that's what you can see is the coral. And some more 24K. Maybe just a little tiny bit more of white, of the metallic white. Now let's see what happens. Down there. Oh, that's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. I like that one just fine. I'm gonna move it over some so we can go to the next one. Okay, hands wiped off. Bring this one over. Try not to use so much of the brown this time. Let's see what happens. Let's get the sides done first. Down the sides. Maybe that'll work better. Won't have to get so much on the top if I can do the sides first. I'm always afraid I don't have enough on top, so I always get too much. That always causes a problem. Let's use my spreader this time and see how it goes. How's that? Probably should have done that with the other one. It probably would have turned out better. But I think I'm liking it. Right over the edge. There we go. There's some on this side. Look at my TV so I can see if I got it covered. I think I do. There we go. All right. Let's go in a different pattern this time, different flow. Put the lavender on top. Oop, can't remember where I put things. Okay, here we go. Yep, it worked better without as much brown on top. It sure did. Let all the colors come through better. There we go with that one. Get the sides touched up a little bit. All the way around. I think we're good to go. Oops. That one. This one's good. I think this one's good. Some over here. Pretty good for little bitty ones. Get my hands wiped off and we'll give it a torch. Make sure there's no air bubbles. I think they're good. I think these turned out really nice for such little bitty canvases. If I can get a hold of them without messing them up. Give you a little close-up if I can. That was number one. Looks really nice. Ooh, that's number two. I hope you like them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up. It helps with my placement with YouTube. If you are interested in any of my paintings, you can get all my information in the description box below. My email address. You can always private message me from Facebook. I do have a Facebook page. I'm on Instagram. I do commission work. So anything that you want, just give me a holler and I'll be glad to help you. So again, thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.